if your laptop or desktop not turning on and only showing black screen with cursor, then this video is for you. Here I'll show you the best effective methods to fix your black screen issue. So without further ado, let's jump to the first method. Here you can press Windows Ctrl Shift and B keys together and see what happens. In the next method, you can unplug all the external devices like hard disk, pen drive, USB cables, etc. And now you can try again to turn on your PC. If possible, you can unplug the RAM and clean the RAM and ports, then plug in the RAM again and try to turn on your PC. In the third method, you can press Ctrl Shift Escape or Ctrl Alt Delete key together. Then click on Task Manager and now run new task. Here you have to type explorer.exe. Now check mark here, then click on OK to finish this method. In the next method, you can press and hold power button for 8 to 10 seconds until turned off. Then press the power button again and see. In the next method, if you want to fix all your Windows booting issues like black screen, blue screen, restarting screen, loading screen, boot screen, automatic repair, on, turn on, random reboot, welcome screen, etc., then you can try 4DDIG Windows Boot Genius tool. Just download and install this tool from here and follow the screen instructions to solve your Windows restarting or booting issues. In method number 6, you can press Ctrl Alt and Delete key together. Now press and hold the Shift key and click on Restart from here. Next, click on Troubleshoot and go to the Advanced option. From here, you can uninstall the recent updates. Also, go to the command prompt. Here type sfc /scan now. Now press enter key. Now type exit and press enter key. OK. Now click on continue to Windows 11 or 10. In the next method, you can update your display adapters from Device Manager. Here you can try both options. In the last method, unplug your laptop battery if possible. Then plug in again and try to turn on your PC. Hope you enjoy this video. If you get help, please like this video and hit the subscribe button for more updates.